How to enable or disable wireless power sharing on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, let's return back to the home screen. Then, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on battery, then scroll down and tap on wireless power sharing. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. When it is turned on, you can now start charging the device. You need to place the device, one device underneath, back to back. And here you should see it shows the device start charging. So just place it at the back like this. Sometimes you may need to turn it. And there it is now charging. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.